kadom kola bang the biglodi.
The winner is number 15.
Hello everyone, ini vlog saya lagi Ronghang tong. Nah ini dia foto lo. Hai, cameraman Hongjai, tim Hongjai. Non mang bong krok nam kipu. Ale lang onang de. Hello guys. Chong pen mopak. Kit he soli la si nonong tu mana paklang ko. Ano kayo? Dito. Ini dia terong man hai. Kadom. Kola bang the biglodi. Bawa ko lang tung azon de ne di la first time lo la ne thi. Tilo lighting.
Oh, son. Break jangan sih ini malah pasang portfolio.
Oh, kali ya lo. Break big lo lah. Penan pinit tu ibu, adik ibu. Adik kau ini. Rure lo. Lah nampak lagi. Thank people. Kenapa langkar di langkar? Deh, curul lo.
krim chong 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 dip kram chong 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 dip ora iti.
Finally sili tumang no si dolo lasi alang litu raje bolon ni upot utot ateng no an hang tu sinang ma.
Okay. First of all, we will announce Miss Personality. Miss Personality goes to number 13. Number 13, Maybin. Smile.
Please put your hands together for this photogenic Harbor Youth Festival 2021. She's pretty beautiful, I must say. Alitum Ningo Gedelma.
Now we'll go for Miss Photogenic. Photogenic is number 16. Sorry. Kajir, please go in the front.
Okay, people, let's hear it once again.
Now Miss Catwalk. Miss Catwalk goes to number 4.
Poison lasi alang li nemo neng beliau ke dong. Congratulations.
Now the second runner-up. Who do you think is the second runner-up? Okay, the second runner-up goes to number 1.
Presenting to you, people, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 1. Paying an amount of 15,000 for the second runner-up of Miss Harbor Youth Festival 2020.
Now the first runner-up goes to number 12. You need to smile, otherwise I take back the crown. Okay? The winner is number 15.
The new Miss Harbor 2021. And also to give away the gift and prize. Mentioning earlier, we have a contract of award 50,000 video contract. So to give away the certificate of the video contract, I would like to request our beloved brother to give away the certificate.